The steel surface preparation industry has faced many challenges, including slow production, high costs, and dangerous working conditions. To keep up with changing times and to prioritize safety and efficiency, it is important for companies to innovate and attract new talent. That's where the VertiDrive V700 Series comes in. The VertiDrive V700 Series can help speed up the process of preparing large steel assets like storage tanks and ships. Normally, this preparation can take up to 70% of the total project time, but with the VertiDrive, operations can complete this step up to 8 times faster. This means companies can take on additional projects, all while staying competitive. Utilizing the V700 solution with one of the 3 washing and blasting applications will give you a consistent blasting pattern with minimal overlap, ensuring water or abrasives are used most efficiently. With the VertiDrive V700 Series, you don't have to worry about operator fatigue or inconsistency. The robot always produces the same output, so you'll get a uniform result every time. At VertiDrive, we know how important it is to minimize downtime in your operation. That's why we offer extensive on-site training from our expert VertiDrive instructor or local partners. We want to make sure your staff knows how to operate and maintain the VertiDrive solution to the highest standards. With our Train the Trainer program, we ensure you will have someone qualified in training new staff to operate the crawler while maintaining optimum results. This helps ensure that your operation runs smoothly and efficiently. With our applications, you can achieve impressive blasting and washing results in terms of both speed and savings. See how VertiDrive can become your competitive advantage.